In 2019, I was folding burritos for minimum wage. In 2025, I made over 27 million selling digital products in about 4 years. But here's what nobody's telling you about making money online. The people actually crushing it aren't creating products from scratch. They're the ones who discovered a new way, a groundbreaking strategy called AI Product Arbitrage. And what I'm about to show you is why beginners using this method are making their first $5,000 to $10,000 faster than any other method than all the other people that have been trying for years. Listen. I've helped over 5,000 people in the last couple of years launch their own digital product businesses. Students like Sean, a full-time nurse with 2 kids who did $105,000 in the last 4 months and then quit his 9-to-5 job.
I've already made over $105K, and that's just in about 4 months.
Or Priscilla, a mom with 2 kids, she made $21,000 her second month.
Last month, which was my second month, I made like 20,400 something. And I'm like, I'm making 30K this month.
While these results aren't typical, the one thing I will tell you is that they followed a simple process. But I need to be brutally honest with you. When I started 5 years ago, I made 3 fatal mistakes that cost me months, if not years of my life, and tens of thousands of dollars of wasted investment. And the third one, if you stay with me to the end, made me almost quit entrepreneurship entirely. And it's the same mistake that you might be making to this day. You see, everyone thinks that number one, you have to spend months creating your own digital product, filming hundreds of videos, building out Google documents, PDFs, spreadsheets to deliver on some digital product, build complex websites, funnels, master your sales psychology, and I did all that. I spent 3 months launching my first digital product while working nights and early mornings while balancing with my 9-to-5 job. I had no weekends, no social life. It was brutal. And listen, I'm not lazy. I'm not complaining. I'm just obsessed with efficiency and working smarter, not harder. And I kept thinking this entire time that there has to be a better way. And I discovered a new method that are making people so much more successful in half the amount of time because they're not selling their own digital products at all. They're doing what I call arbitrage. By arbitraging other people's digital products that already convert, that are done for you and already have amazing client support. Think about it. This isn't anything new. We're just modeling what billion-dollar companies are already doing. Does Uber, a multi-billion-dollar company, own any cars? No, they just connect car owners, drivers, with people who need a ride. Does DoorDash for food delivery, do they own any restaurants? No, they don't. They just connect people that have restaurants with hungry people. Does Airbnb own millions of properties? No, they just connect homeowners with people who are on vacation. You see where I'm going with this? Arbitrage means connecting, not owning and creating them yourself. So if you really think about it, if these billion-dollar companies don't make their own properties, their own restaurants, their own buildings, then why would you spend months, if not years, building your own digital product that is not guaranteed to sell at all when you could plug in products instantly right now and make 50 to 80% commissions and take the lion's share of the profits? This is what AI product arbitrage is, and it's how complete beginners are going from $0 to $5,000 months without creating anything themselves. Right now, there's platforms like Allen.store that have dozens of done-for-you digital products that are ready for you to promote. And these aren't some random affiliate programs. These are truly curated marketplace products specifically for digital products, high quality products. Let me show you exactly what to look for. The selection framework criteria. First, I want you to stick to the big 3 categories: health, wealth, and relationships. Now, why is that? It's simple. These tap into primal human desires that never go away. People always want to lose weight. People always want to be in better shape, get in better marriages, better relationships, and they want to make more money. Second, I look for products that pay at least 50% commissions. Anything less than that, and you're leaving huge amounts of money on the table. And if you're wondering, well, who does this work for? Lily was working a 9-to-5 job and going to grad school at the same time. And she only had about 52 followers when she made her first $500 sale. In fact, by the time she had 300 followers, she made over $3,000 in profit. And by the time she had less than 900 followers, she had done over $13,000 in pure profit in her pocket. And the craziest thing about all of this is she never had to show her face one time. You'll see every single video is just her, 7-second looping videos, her face completely blurred out the whole time. Remember, it's not about going viral. You don't have to be some influencer. You just simply solve one specific problem for one specific group of people. Now, finding products on Allen.store isn't very difficult. You could literally just go Google Allen.store, hit enter, and you'll find a digital product in literally less than 30 seconds. The next step is what is actually going to take you to the next level. Because most problem make content manually. They manually write emails. They manually script out their videos. And this takes forever. I used to spend 3 hours writing one video, just one video. And this is exactly where I was stuck for months until I found out that AI could actually make the content for you. And that's why the viral finder feature of Allen AI. This is what changes everything, because now I can create 30 pieces of content in the time that it used to take for you to make just one. Watch this right now. I'm going to create one piece of content for you in less than 30 seconds. Okay. If you go to any Instagram account and you hit enter on it, like take a look at this, it's going to filter for you all the videos from most viral all the way to least viral. Now, if you like one of these videos, you're like, oh, I could totally make that. Click on that checkbox there, and all you have to do is click on the button that says write my own version. And the moment you click on that, in less than 7 seconds, it will write literally in your voice, telling your personal story, optimized for virality. But here's the crazy part. Instagram recently just made a new algorithm change. Now, I know you're thinking, Richard, this all looks awesome and I'm glad that AI can make me content, but I don't have a following. I literally, if I were to start, I would be starting from complete zero. Or maybe you're thinking, I don't want to use my personal Instagram because I got friends and family and they can judge me. I want to make a new account. Am I at a disadvantage? Because of the new change in Instagram and TikTok's algorithm that just happened, they're actually now prioritizing new creators, new accounts over established ones. You know those random accounts with 47 followers like Lila that I just showed you? They're getting hundreds of thousands of views. That's not luck. That's the algorithm actively pushing new creators to post new content because they want to onboard new creators onto their platforms. For example, Kayla, a mom with 2 kids, she works a job super busy as a full-time nurse. And she had less than a few hundred followers, and then she posted this one video. It's only 7 seconds, and it's just her taking a sip of her coffee. And by the way, she did this face forward because she decided she wanted to build a personal brand. But you could also use AI to make an exact version of this and make a completely different avatar that's not even you. And this one video generated 1.9 million views in the first 30 days. And because of that video, and by the way, she spent no money on ads. This is all organic. She made over $5,000 in pure profit selling digital products that she didn't even create.
I actually started a brand new account at zero. Went from like 0 to 3,000 followers, and the 10,000 followers, I've been able to make $8,000.
My students are getting 100,000 plus views per video without any followers, making faceless content using tools like HeyGen, or they just simply blur out the face like what Lila did, and they're using AI generated scripts from Allen AI. And all you do is post 7, 10-second long videos and generate the free attention to make sales on semi-autopilot. So let's actually break down the math and see what the brass tacks comes down to. Let's say that you promote a standard $500 product and it pays 50% commission. Now, most of them pay 60, 70, 80%, but let's be conservative and say 50. If you make 1 sale, that's $250. 10 sales, $2,500. 20 sales, that's $5,000. And 40 sales is $10,000 per month. But here's where it gets really exciting. Remember those software products I told you that have these monthly recurring commissions? Well, one $97 per month product means that out of 50% commissions, 20 customers is $970 per month in passive monthly recurring revenue, month after month after month. Now, there will be some churn, some people will cancel, but the majority won't when it's a good product and you'll continue to make recurring residual income for a very, very long time. And that's without you having to lift a single finger, because as soon as you make the sale the first time, you've now got a customer that will stay on recurring. And I want you to think about this right now. There's 2 people right now that want to make money online. Person A spends months building out their own digital product, recording all the videos, building the funnels, writing every piece of content manually. Person B uses AI Product Arbitrage. They find a proven product in Allen.store. They generate unlimited content ideas with Allen AI making the content for them, and they start earning commissions in less than the next 72 hours. Who do you think has a better chance at being successful? And who do you want to be? But here's what you need to understand. This window will not stay open forever. Right now, AI tools are so new that most people don't even know how to use them properly. In 12 months from now, everyone's going to be talking about them. In 24 months, it's going to be too saturated. And the Instagram algorithm that's favoring new accounts right now, I don't know how long this is going to last for. Digital products are exploding, but the competition is so low right now. In the next 12 months, this opportunity will only be harder and harder. And if you'd like my team and I to work directly with you, hands-on, one-on-one, to help you install a website and help you launch this AI arbitrage business, then click the calendar link below and book a time for a complimentary AI strategy session where my team and I will walk you through a roadmap in the next 30 days. And if we both feel like it's a good fit, we can talk about if our mentorship is the right fit for you. And we see that you're hungry, you're coachable, and that you're a good fit, then we may be able to extend you an invitation into our mentorship. But spots are extremely limited, so click the button below and book your call. And if you want a full in-depth training of exactly how to launch this AI arbitrage business from A to Z, then check out this full masterclass training, and I'll see you on the other side.